The next kind of jump command, if you've done any programming at all, I'm sure you're all familiar with the label, So instead of counting bytes, I just want to jump to, say, here. So I'm going to say here. And say shift there, colon, not a semicolon. And now there's a label there. So now I can say, instead of jump to a numerical value, I can say just jump to here. Right? So let's try that. Save that. Go to over there and have a look there. So it jumps over the first character to the second character. Yeah. So then, of course, likewise, I could then from there jump back to there, I guess. Right? And then down here go JMP to there. Yeah, let's see. Let's create a loop, right? Some goofy loop, figure 8 loop, I guess. Up arrow, sorry. Yeah. It's going. It's kind of like, it's a little ending. It's in reverse. Prints the second character first, the first character second. So then, of course, I can just say halt there. CLIHLT. And for whatever reason, just a quick demo there. So it just Alt F4 out of there or whatever. So the program's come along, the computer's reading, it gets to here, it says jump to down there and skip over the first character, and then it reads that, and then when it gets to the bottom of that, it says jump back up there, and it reads, and then end of program and end of video.